poem. In Bethlehem, one quiet night, a star above was shining bright. Mary's baby, Jesus born, in a stable, safe and warm. The shepherds watched their sheep with care when angels sang from everywhere. Come and see, a king is here, a baby bringing love so dear. The wise men followed the shining star. They traveled long, they traveled far. With gifts of love, they knelt to pray for Jesus born to show the way. Now we all sing and say with cheer, thank you, Jesus, for being here. For love and joy you bring so near. In every heart, you're always dear.